Yes, YouTube, winter activities, winter sports, out in the freezing cold tunnel today. My cousin, man like Bion, zub zub, yeah, just out here. It's probably going to get dark whilst we're out here, but yeah, we got some light behind us, so we'll see how we get on. We're just sketching up. Yes, we're ready. We've got our outlines up. And we can start filling in. See the outlines behind me. Got some nice cakes to keep us active. So I've got my plan here that I did on my iPad. If you check out my channel, you'll probably see how I designed this on the channel, so check that out. And yeah, just using it to guide me really on this 3D structured letters, and it's really helpful because I can see where all the colours are going, and then I can just lay it out on the wall. So it's helping me with time, so I don't have to think about it so much. I can just place the colours in the right places. But yeah, it's always good to have a plan and then execute the plan.
I have no plan.
Bion over there is saying he's got no plan, but he does have a kind of a plan to an extent. It's going to look banging still. Not sure how this is all going to pan out, but this is the way it's going. We're just freestyling the thing.
Yeah. But like, you know, we'll see what happens.
Yeah. So what have we got here? We've got the cakes. Oh my days, look at them. It's time to crack one of these bad boys. You wanna try one, Bo?
I'll have one with a cup of tea later.
Look at that. Peng. Smell it. Smell that. Smell it, Bo.
Yeah, it smells dope, literally.
Have you ever had a dream that you want him to do you so much you could do anything?
I wasn't even filming, you know, that's a madness. Do it again. Too busy scoffing my face with them cakes.
Tasty though, yeah?
This is the demographic school of graph. How to do them nice silky smooth fades.
Mix and blend.
Mix and blend. So over here we've got the body of the 3D all locked down. So really now it's about tightening it up, sharpening it up, and then yeah, we're on course. Looking good. So the pink sort of gives it a bit more life,
Yeah.
a bit more contrast. But yeah, we're getting there. Just working my way through, adding some details.
This.
So nearly there, I'm just adding some finishing touches. Might add some white on there somewhere. This is it. Just about to add some fluoro pink on there to strengthen up the pink so it's glowing like Bion's. Boom. Starting to take shape now. Oh, what's this? Bit of white madness going on, 3D white. So I've added some glow onto the balloon, some reflection there with the pink going over there. I've added these funky white sort of alien lines on there, floating over. So you can see there's like a triangle in the middle, and then you've got some coming in from the sides, curling around. It's the energy. That is the way. The way, Mandalorian way. What's good, YouTube? So I finished a 3D piece, a bit of a spontaneous one. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Peace.